Here's how that works. So the first part of the show, we're going to bring all 8 monster trucks right out here in the front stretch. And we're going to count them down from 10 to 0. At 0, it's gentlemen start your engines. And at that point, you're going to take the flag above your head and do a big circle. That's the universal sign to fire those bad boys up. It's time to go racing. Then we're going to go throughout the show to the different competitions, and we're going to have the win monster truck freestyle. Any freestyle fans up in the grandstands? Yeah, freestyle's pretty cool. It's their favorite, it's my favorite. It's just not everybody's favorite. And what we like to do with the flags during them, the trucks are really, really loud. If you've ever heard monster trucks before, you know that they're loud. They make about 1,500 to sometimes 2,000 horsepower each. And they can't always hear you cheer, but they can. We're up to the grandstands and look for these flags. So here's how you can participate in freestyle tonight. If you want to see a truck do a wheelie, maybe standing vertical with the tailgate on, put that flag above your head, just give it a little shake. Let me see everybody do that. That's it, that's for a wheelie. If you want to see you do a long jump, maybe line up on that school bus down there and get all sorts of air, you take the flag above your head, side to side. That's the sign for a long jump. If you want to see a truck do a donut, you know what that one is, right? Just like the beginning of the show, right around your head. And the last one, if you want to see a guy go absolutely crazy, maybe even crash, you take that flag and turn it upside down. Let me see everyone practice that one. That is how you tell the drivers what you want to see them do during freestyle. And with that, you are all graduates of flag school. Now we're just about ready to start the show. But we're going to take just a moment to thank some of our good partners. Interstate Towing for providing all the crush cars you see out here. Over 20 cars that we have this weekend alone. Big thank you to Interstate Towing. And for Research the Auto Salvage for bringing that school bus down there. Kids, who wants to see a school bus get crushed tonight? Yeah, me too. Also, a big thank you to T-Mobile. We're bringing fast and reliable internet service right here to you. That's T-Mobile, a partner here at the Medina Monster Truck ThrowDown. And now, we're going to do what we call Track X. This is where I explain what's going to happen here on the track. The monster trucks will be competing in 3 different competitions. But not only monster trucks, we have tough trucks. How many tough truck fans we got in the house? These guys are going to be running a fast and furious Cyclone-style, Chicago-style round-and-round track. They're going to start in the center. They're going to go to each end of the track and chase each other. You're going to see them out twice here tonight doing their thing. But who came to see the monster trucks? We're going to start out with the best trick. If you've been here to Monster Truck ThrowDown before, you'll know this as the wheelie competition. But with monster trucks evolving, we decided to let them do all sorts of different tricks. They can do whatever they want. The best trick, if you will, that they can. They just get 2 opportunities to try to do the best one that they can. They're getting them out one at a time. And the way you judge the winner is your applause. So if you like what you see, make sure to get loud, Medina. That's best trick. Then we're going to go to racing. How many monster truck racing fans in the house? We're going to bring all 8 into a drag racing style bracket. We're going to be also racing on a round-and-round track. We're going to start on the white lines behind the racing lanes. These are the pads of dirt with tires and cars in them. They're going to stage up to the line, then they're going to wait for the firewire LED start light to go from red to green. When it goes green, it's go time. We're going to throttle over the first jump, make 2 more jumps and 2 left-hand turns. Whoever crosses the common finish line in the center of the track first is your winner. We're going to start with 8. We're going to bring it down to the final 2. Whoever wins that final round is your racing champion. But what about freestyle? Who came here to see some freestyle tonight? The entire track is open, anything goes. Each truck has 22 gallons of methanol alcohol in their fuel cell. They can run until it's dry. As long as they want, whatever they want. If they want to line up for the school bus, if they want to line up on that FedEx truck in the center of the track, they can. And remember, just like best trick, freestyle is judged by your applause. So if you like what you see, make sure you get real loud. Each truck is going to come out one at a time, like I said, as long as they want. The louder you get, the crazier they will get. So we've got tough trucks, we've got monster trucks competing in best trick, racing, and freestyle. The only question I have left is, are you ready, Medina? We will be back in just a couple of minutes for the start of our show.